Pepecoin holders, I've got a video for you guys. Pepe is just unstoppable right now, and it is going higher and higher and higher. The real question is, are we going to hit all-time highs here, or do we need to cool off a little bit? We're going to be talking about that. So without further ado, welcome back to Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea. Hit that like button, hit that bell, subscribe to the channel right now. Now let's get into this. So guys, Ethereum up 10% today. You guys know when Ethereum makes its moves, Pepe follows right behind with it. And really, I'm deciding more and more in my mind that Pepe is this chosen meme coin, and that, in my opinion, I think Pepe is going to outperform every single meme coin in the majors. Not like, you know, it's when we're talking about outperforming, it's tough to say it's going to outperform a coin that has a, you know, $1,000 market cap, because if it goes to 100K, that's 100x. But if Pepe does 100x from here, that's, what is that, $600 billion market cap? It can 100x if the supply gets burned, but just from price increase alone, just for liquidity flowing into Pepe, it'd be really difficult to see 100x. Now, what about a 30x? Is a 30x possible for Pepe? In my opinion, yes, I do think 30x is possible, especially with where Bitcoin is headed here, guys. We are just constantly getting battered with bullish news after bullish news after bullish news. We're constantly hearing this government's buying Bitcoin, this government is integrating crypto, this government is allowing banks to custody crypto. We're starting to see that this regulatory environment for crypto is becoming much more favorable. And when that happens, risk on assets, aka the riskiest of them all, meme coins, perform. Becomes a much more risk on asset favorable environment. We have the president coming out saying that these tariffs they're making headlines. They're saying the tariffs are going to go away. We're coming to a deal, not go away, but they're coming to a deal. It's starting to look more positive. You should buy stocks, he says. And then we have the Fed. The Fed is getting closer and closer to pivoting to QE, to quantitative easing. And when the Fed pivots to QE, that becomes money surplus getting injected into the market. It's really all it is a green light for risk on assets, guys. You have all this bullish news, and you have Bitcoin testing near all-time highs. And right now, in my opinion, it's so quiet. It is so quiet in the crypto market. Back in January, in November, December of 2024, when we were at all-time highs for Bitcoin, it got kind of loud. There was retail investors hopping around and saying, it's going to the moon, it's going to the moon. But guys, right now, we're back there at those levels, and it's so quiet. And that is a very bullish thing, guys, because that means that this party has more room to go. And in my opinion, you know, Pepe can cool off a little bit. It's up 10% today. It's up 100% in the past week, okay? That's a 2x on your money, all right? If you would have bought the lows, I believe it's like a 300% gain, so about a 4x, okay? It's absolutely insane. And I think that we're just going to start here. I am bullish on Pepe, and I think it's going to continue to make bigger moves. And I think as long as Bitcoin plays nicely here, as long as these tariffs subside, the market digests this tariff news, then I do expect that Pepe is going to be in such a significant position to make huge moves. I think it's going to be so pivotal that they will be the number one meme. I do think that Pepe, the frog, will flip the dog. It has the most mind share. You guys know I always talk about this. It has the most mind share. It has the most staying power because it's Pepe the Frog. It's not associated with Elon Musk like Doge. And, you know, that's a blessing and a curse that Elon Musk is associated with Doge, because the more in the spotlight he gets, the more people want to attack him. Next thing you know, they want to attack all of his things that he's connected with, aka Dogecoin. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm bullish on Doge. I'm bullish on Shiba Inu. But I do think that Pepe is going to outperform. I do. I think it is going to have more strength. It has the most mind share, especially with the younger generations, the people that haven't been in crypto for nearly a decade like myself. Humble brag. But I don't know. But seriously though, like, the younger generation know Pepe the Frog. They weren't around for Dogecoin. They weren't around for Shiba Inu. They didn't get to see those price moves like we saw with Doge and Shiba back in 2017, 2021. At least 2021, where we saw Doge do some crazy moves. But regardless, I think that Pepe will perform better just because of that alone. You know, you have these younger people that are going to be attached to it. And I've talked to younger people in the crypto space, and it's always Pepe. It's always Pepe. It's not Doge. People are pretty peeved about the inflation rate when it comes to Doge, and I'm bullish, guys. I'm long. I'm very long on XRP. I have a 6-figure XRP long position that's about $15,000 in the profit in the time of recording this video. I'm looking for Pepe longs. And I think I'm going to go degenerately long on Pepe. I think I'm going to be making another 6-figure trade on Pepe here soon, especially if we reach my targets here. If we get a little bit of a pullback, like a 3-5% drawdown from here, I'm going to go in big, and you guys are going to be the first to see it. And if you guys do want to follow on, make some money on the way up, on the way down, trading crypto, not just buying and holding, then check out in the description box below or pinned comment down below. We have a $5,000 sign-in bonus to Blowfin. All you do is click that link, deposit, trade a little bit. You get a bunch of free money. And there's always some awesome promotions with Blowfin. It's my favorite leverage trading platform that I've really seen so far. And you can win a Tesla Model 3 for like $33,000 based on just trading volume. It's not even like a raffle. The more you trade, the more rewards you get. It's pretty cool, guys. But I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. I'm just telling you guys what I'm doing, what I'm looking for. And I'm looking for long positions, guys. I am looking to increase my exposure into crypto. I take advantage of these moves to the upside. And I believe that Pepe is the chosen one. Let me know in the comments below. Do you think Pepe's the chosen one? If you do, smash that like button. Let me know in the comment section. And are you going to be trading it? How much do you hold? How much do you want to hold? What's your goal? Are you trying to retire on Pepe? You know, I remember back with the Dogecoin millionaire. I met the guy at one of these conferences, and he became a millionaire from Dogecoin. And I think that there's going to be many, many Pepecoin millionaires here in the coming years, as long as Bitcoin continues to make its moves up. And right now, Bitcoin is performing well. We're near all-time highs. It's exciting times, guys. If you like this type of content, please hit that like button. Follow me at 333 Blacksea on Twitter, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.